In this video, I'm going to give you an honest review of Tradesyncer and whether it's the best trade copier software in the market. So to get started, Tradesyncer stands out primarily for its lightning fast replication across multiple brokers and exchanges. Its ability to handle both forex and crypto makes it extremely versatile for modern traders. The software shines in real-time synchronization with virtually no noticeable lag, which is crucial for scalpers and high-frequency traders. One of its stronger features is risk management. You can adjust copy ratios, set absolute stop loss limits, and even reverse trades if you're mirroring opposing strategies. The platform interface is clean, offering transparent reporting and live trade monitoring. However, TradeSyncer is best suited for traders who already have experience managing multiple accounts. It's a technical tool. You will need to configure API connections and understand your broker permissions properly. On the downside, it lacks some of the advanced rule-based filtering that competitors like Replicanto offer. But if your main priority is speed, accuracy, and multi-platform support, TradeSyncer developers and delivers consistently. And that's my honest review of TradeSyncer as one of the top trade copier software options in the market.